What's up everybody? So today we're gonna install heat pads. I know it's still summer, but we are getting ready for winter because it's gonna be a couple of months, gonna be fall, and heating pads. It's very nice to have this winter. So we got 2 heat pads each seats. Got two. We got the relay. Got the fuse over here. Got a dual switch, as you can see, and we got a voltmeter. And now we're gonna dismantle the seats. We're gonna unscrew these bolts. I got one here and right over there. Right there. So we're using. A 12mm socket. So we're gonna remove all of these hub rings right here, as you can see. We got all the way around the seat, so we're gonna remove that using regular pliers. So in my case, I have some few bolts that I have to remove, which is this, and that one, for me to be able to take out the whole fabric out from the seats, and this one too. Some hub rings still left from the top all the way around to the top of this seat. So we're gonna only remove this side only, which is the right side, and 2 hub rings on top, so you can see right there. I'm just gonna leave this one on the side so I can just flip this cloth off to the other side so we can just start putting the pads. Most of the seats has spring loaded. This one that attached to the fabric, just to make sure you get those off too. I think most of the car has it, just to make the fabric secure and fit. So yeah. see I marked those down where you can see this gap all the way around here, so we're just gonna cut those, as you can see, so we can put the hub ring still right here. So make sure you're not touching those elements from this side. You can see this silhouette right there. Be careful not to touch those with anything like wires or the hub rings or the springs. So yeah. So after we cut this, we're gonna cover the element with this. This comes with the package. So cover this up, this side and this side. After we pull out the tape, so we have room for this hub rings, and remember those phones that we cut it off, so those elements have some space for bending and stuff when you lean on it. Do it on the other side, like do the market. And do some right here. As you can see, I'm just gonna cut it off. The passenger side, just do the same thing. So guys, I made up something like I made from this terminal, then I cut it in half and make it look like this. And then when you cut it in half, you bend it and it's gonna be look like this one.
so it can go along with the fuse like so. And you can insert to the module and the wiring is easier, so as you can see, and use a crimper for that.
So for the wirings, so I put this what you call it, this red wire to accessories on radio. I label it so I don't miss it. It's like a 10 amp and the other one, which color is this, I put in the ignition, just a 15 amp, and the yellow one I put in the headlights. This headlight I put in the, what do you call it? I put in the license tail lights. Right here, it's a 7.5 amperes right here. It's very easy. Don't forget to use your home tester so you can figure it out. So let's put it here. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, it powers on, and so I'll switch on the headlight. See, it illuminates. I can select from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the settings for how warm do you want it. So what I do to finish it, I just tape them all together and around the wire all the way. Cover up this plastic, this side, cover it from here. As you can see from there, right here, see the wires there, and run over underneath my mattings, right there, and all the way to the other side. As you can see, it's right there, and that's it.
Heated seat RD1. So see you next time. Peace.